Okay, everybody, so I have the new Apple Pencil here in my hand, right? It has the barrel roll feature, has the haptic engine, so I'm going to try and show you some of this stuff, but I have the pencil right up here. I'm hovering. I'm going to squeeze, and you'll see here, right, your tool brush comes up. I can even scroll here so you can see the different pencils that are available. I'm going to choose the marker, and I'll tap here. Let's go yellow. But this is what's fun about this, okay? So I'm going to bring the brush closer, and I'm just going to, you can see here, when I roll the pen in my hand, the barrel roll feature shows up. So what can you do? Okay, I can start drawing here. I can barrel roll it and draw it like thick to thin and have that control. Here's the fun one though. For calligraphy artists, look at this. I'm going to start drawing and I can barrel roll it while I'm writing. This is insane. Now let's do something else here. I'm going to squeeze again, and I can actually go here and hold on the back, and what happens is I can remove by scrolling up and down here, and there's an actual haptic response each time I undo. Are you kidding me?
Like changing the orientation of a shaped pen or brush. If you ever lose Apple Pencil Pro, you can easily locate it, since it now supports Find My.
So your first look on the new Apple Pencil Pro boxes. They're designed in different styles and there's 5 variations. They're beautiful and have the Pro lettering in every single one of them. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.
Bring it to my animation, and I'll use the roll to play around with the animation. What a realistic 3D rendering app. You have to see here, and it's not so strong. Back to the beginning, whenever you can see something that can be super complex. Right before, besides having the drawing, you have this new pattern of animation and movement. That was done.
So you like changing the camera angle and 3D rendering it? Absolutely.